Today we're here to share our thoughts on a product that's been a staple in our home, Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. With a large family of 10, finding a versatile hair care product that works for everyone, men, women, boys, and girls, has been a challenge. This moisturizer has been one of our go-to solutions. One thing we love about this lotion is its smooth, creamy texture. It's easy to apply and doesn't feel greasy. Whether we're moisturizing natural curls, refreshing dry ends, or adding shine to straight styles, it delivers consistently. What really stands out to us is how well it keeps our hair hydrated, especially during colder months when dryness is a struggle. This lotion locks in moisture for hours. For us, it works on everything from thick curly hair to finer textures. Since this product is so versatile, we don't need to buy separate hair care products for everyone in the family. It saves us time, money, and space, which is a big deal with so many people under one roof. Another plus is the light floral scent. It's pleasant, but not overpowering. Even the kids like it, and that's saying a lot. We use it daily for styling and weekly as part of our deeper hair care routines. It pairs well with other products. In short, Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion has been a reliable, affordable, and effective part of our hair care routine. It might not be perfect for every hair type, but it's worked wonders for our family. We're glad to keep it on hand for everyone to use.